Is your lavender plant growing slowly or not blooming much? Try these simple tips to help your lavender grow faster and healthier. Lavender loves full sun. Make sure it gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. Use well-draining soil. Lavender hates soggy roots, so mix sand or perlite into the soil for better drainage. Let's start by adding perlite. Now we'll add some sand. Mix it all in well to create the perfect soil for your lavender. Water deeply, but only when the soil feels dry. Let me check the soil. See? It's still moist. Overwatering is one of the biggest mistakes with lavender. Prune lightly after flowering. Removing old blooms encourages new growth and keeps the plant compact. Feed it sparingly. Too much fertilizer can reduce flowers. A light application of compost in spring is enough. Follow these lavender care tips and you'll enjoy faster growth, more blooms, and a beautiful fragrant garden.
Follow for more easy gardening tips.